Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daily Code Challenges. I'm so excited to have you around today. Okay, so today let's see what we have. We have doubler, right? So this is our challenge for today. It's called doubler. And the instruction is write a function doubler that takes an array of numbers and returns a new array where every element of the original array is multiplied by 2. Okay, so looking at this array argument here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And looking at the required output, we can see that each number in this array gets multiplied, right? So here we have 1 becomes 2 here, 2 here becomes 4 here, 3 here becomes 6 here, and then 4 becomes 8 here. Likewise, the second array argument, 7, 1, and 8, we have 7 times 2, 14, 1 times 2, 2, and then 8 times 2, 16. All right. So here, what we need to do is, of course, there's going to be the need to loop through each of the values, right? So let's begin by writing our function keyword, and I simply select the autocomplete. Then the function name is doubler, and then our parameter, let's give it a name. Let's call it numbers. Yes, numbers is okay. All right. So let's look through each of these values using the for loop. We say for, and I select the autocomplete. I change index to I, and then change array here to numbers because we don't have array variable, and then take this line of code out. All right. So the next thing we want to do, since we need to return a new array, we need to declare a new array, but we set it to an empty array. So we say let new array, let's call it new array, equals empty array, right? So each of the values we have here will be pushed into this new array, but not as it is, but rather doubled, right? So here we simply say we are simply going to copy whatever values we have in this array here, and then we copy it into this array. But not just copying, we multiply each number by 2. So here is what I mean. We say new array is equal to numbers, because here we know numbers is an array, right? So if we say new array is equal to numbers, every item we have in numbers as an array is being passed is being passed onto new array, right? Therefore, new array and numbers, they begin to have the same values, right? But here we are not just going to leave it at this. We are going to say new array I, and then also numbers I, because we need to look through each of these items, right? So let's return this new array here. Return new array. Let's save our code and let's run. Here, if you notice, we've not multiplied by 2, right? So we just want to be sure that whatever values we have in numbers array are also copied into this empty array, right? So let's run this. Here we can see that we have, for the new array, we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 we have here, these are the numbers in the array numbers, right? The array parameter, the numbers parameter here. These are the arguments, right? While this returned array here is simply the new array we set to an empty array initially, right? So having done this, we now know that the next we need to do is to multiply every values in numbers array by 2. So let's save this and let's run again. Let's see what we get. Okay, awesome. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, which is what we are expected to have here. And also we have 14 to 16. Also, that's what we have here. So I think we've been able to correctly implement this code, right, to help double every number of every number found in an array, right? So you can even choose to edit it. You can choose to change 2 to 3. When we run this, we see that every value, every number in the array gets tripled, right? We have 3, 6, 9, 12 from 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But the instruction here says doubled. We need to double all the values. So we work with double, right? So here is my implementation to this code challenge, and I believe you got one or two things from it. And if it interests you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification so that when new videos are dropped, you'll be one of the first people to receive the notification, right? So thanks for joining on this call. Thanks for having me, and I hope to hear from you. And also I hope to see you join my next class, which is tomorrow. All right, so thanks very much and have a nice day. Bye.